Welcome back. Let's do question 4.2.1. Right. In the diagram, the circle centered N passes through A and C, B, C, D, and E are joined to form a parallelogram such that BE is parallel to the x-axis. CD is a tangent to the circle at C, and CD is equal to 6 units. Calculate the coordinates of C. So remember, we managed to find that AN, or the radius, is equal to 4 units in the previous question. Right, so this is 4 units. AN, the radius is 4 units. So we want to find the coordinates of C. Right, if you check here, BCDE is a parallelogram, meaning that BE is parallel to CD. Since BE is parallel to the x-axis, then CD is what? Is also parallel to the x-axis. Right, and then what do you know? What's the relationship between a tangent and a radius? The tangent is perpendicular to the radius, or the diameter. So we're saying here CD is perpendicular to CN. Right, this is tangent perpendicular to radius. Okay, CD is perpendicular to CN. So meaning that CN is also vertical. Okay, CN is also vertical. So now we have the distance AN, and then CN also should be 4 units. So we can say AN is equal to CN, and then both of them equal to 4 units. The radii. Okay, and then we can just add 4 to 3 because this is a vertical line. So the x coordinate of C is going to be the same or equal to the x coordinate of N and the s coordinate of what? Of A. But what about the y coordinate? We have to add 4 to 3 here because this distance is also 4 units. Okay, 4 units. Right, so we add 4 to 3 becomes what? 7. You see that? So therefore, the coordinates of C are -1 and 7. Okay, so that's what it's supposed to do there. We'll meet when we do question 4.2.2.